Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Brooke and on this channel you will find lots of makeup tutorials. I'm kind of a makeup hoarder. A lot of times I buy things and I don't use them. I mean, who doesn't, right? I have probably like 1,000 lipsticks and only use like maybe 8. So today I thought for my very first makeup tutorial on this channel is I'm going to do Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my absolute favorite palette. I believe anyone, even if you're just starting out or if you're like, I need a new palette, get Soft Glam. Literally you can use it for everyday looks. You can use it for a night out of town. I actually personally use this for my wedding, so it can literally be used for just about anything. So stick around, like and subscribe if you actually like this tutorial, or if you like me, or if you hate me and you just want to make fun of me, like and subscribe. This is Saie Mystic Primer plus Serum. It's absolutely my favorite primer when I actually remember to use primer. Concealer. Concealer is honestly the best primer. If you don't have primer, use concealer. If you do have primer, use concealer. It actually works unlike primer.
Say you'll be the one for me forever. I know this will end tonight, but you'll be the one for me. Say you'll be the one for me. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but
this it's called Burnt Orange. That's this color right here. Oh yeah. Burnt orange. Sometimes I use orange soda. Depends what mood I'm feeling. And I'm going to try my best to stay above the crease. However, if you go below, that's fine. We're going to do a cut crease anyway. And I personally like to do this motion where I go above the crease and then lightly I do a line right at the tip where I'm going to wing my liner. Now, as you can see, my makeup looks really weird. And you know why? It's because I don't have eyebrows. So of course, I'm gonna go in with that later, but I like to do that after I do my eyeshadow and with my foundation, so that way I know that there's gonna be a lot of fallout from eyeshadow. No matter what eyeshadow you have, there's gonna be fallout. So it's best to do the eyeshadow first, and then cover it with foundation instead of doing foundation, eyeshadow, and then going back over with foundation because fallout. Now, after I use burnt orange, I am going to use sienna. So that's this beautiful color. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna go on the edges and above the crease just to make that color a little bit more dramatic. Whenever I do an eye look, I always have like a transition shade. So for this look, I'm using burnt orange as my transition shade, but you can use orange soda, you can use dusty rose, it doesn't matter. Try to pick something super, super light. That way it's blendable and buildable. Some mulberry, which is this reddish rusty color, or burgundy, my favorite color. I'm gonna go once again on that top corner of my eye, and look at that, fallout. So glad I didn't waste my foundation. And then I'm also going to take mulberry. And real quickly, this is another reason why I wait for foundation, because I like to always put color on with the under eye. And I'm just gonna go in with that mulberry color. Just halfway. And then I'm also gonna take sienna and do the other half. You wanna try to keep it as thin as possible. Like, come on, things happen. That's what concealer is for. Now comes my favorite part. This is the pre-cut crease, and now we're gonna get to the real cut crease. So you're gonna take your concealer, and then you're gonna take a small brush that looks like this, only cleaner. I hope. There's the coronavirus on. Clean your brushes. And then you're gonna cut the crease. And even if you have a really nice cut crease already with the eyeshadow, still go in with the concealer anyways and cut the crease, because it will really help that top pigment to really stick to that. Now, this is my favorite part, the glitter. My husband hates glitter, but I love glitter. And I just go over with bronze. Ah, ah. Wasn't that angelic? What you do next, then I'm gonna take a little bit of sultry, and I'm gonna go on my ends here and blend this out. You're gonna wipe off this and then cover it with foundation. Here we go. So, after you clean out the fallout, now it's time for foundation. And sometimes if this glitter is not enough for you, I personally like to use the liquid eyeshadow by Too Faced. Then I'm going to take my Born This Way, and guess what color I am? I'm Snow. You know, I was so proud of myself because it's like not the palest one. I have color. Then next is eyebrow time. The time where I stop looking like a freak. I personally like to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Oh yeah. And I use soft brow. Then next I'm going to use Gimme Brow. Oh, by Benefit Cosmetics. Gimme Brow in shade 3. Now I use a combination of 3 and 3.5. First I'm going to go in with my lighter shade of 3. Next I go in with 3.5. So then when I'm happy with my eyebrows, I go over it with the 24-hour brow setter. Now, tip. If you don't want it to come out super like cakey and like pasty, like where it literally looks like you took liquid latex, you're gonna want to clean this off just just with the tissue. Nothing much, because this applicator for some reason is just not that great for what we need it to be. It just comes out way too much. And those are the eyebrows. Now, obviously, I messed up a little bit on my eyebrows. Like, you can see that. But no worries, because guess what? We're gonna highlight the eyebrows with our soft glam palette. It's making a return. And we're just gonna take the light shade Tempera. That guy. Look at her. She's beautiful. Oh. And we're gonna put it on top. Which legit matches my skin tone. It's kind of crazy how like that is my skin tone. Next you're going to want to go on with the eyeliner. Once again, I am not a paid sponsor, but look, it's Benefit Cosmetics. Again, what? It's the roller liner eyeliner, which personally is my favorite eyeliner, although I also am a big fan of the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. It just depends, but this is my favorite felt tip eyeliner. Oh, look at that tip. And then we wing. First of all, that never happens ever that it comes out that perfectly, but apparently this guy knew I was filming. Guys, 2 good eyes? That's insane. Now that you have your eyeliner, it's time for mascara. And I'm sorry, but once again, Benefit Cosmetics, Bad Girl Bang. I literally have all of their mascaras, and honestly, I don't know which one's my favorite. I literally change it up every single time, but this is the one I grabbed, so this is what I'm doing. And then this is the eye look. Ooh, yes. Let's go, yes. Now, next is the highlighter, and I use Ofra Highlighter Rodeo Drive. Look at that color. Oh. My guilty pleasures are highlighters, because it's basically face glitter. Fun fact, I don't use bronzer. You want to know why? Because I'm not bronzed. And it just literally looks like dirt on me. And then whenever I do dramatic eyes, especially cut crease with a lot of glitter, I like to keep it pretty natural when it comes to my lips. This is Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy. Pure Color Envy Suggestive Kiss. I'm gonna give it a shot. So this is the final look.